First, the top stories. Team of CDO Imphal West arrested an active PLA cadre from Faidinga. Tripura government eyes to export agar extracts to global markets soon. India records 11,539 fresh COVID cases, 34 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Good evening, welcome to PONYTV English News. This is PANGAMBAM giving you the news in detail. A team of CDO Imphal West apprehended an active PLA cadre from Faidinga near auto parking at 3 p.m. today. On receiving a specific input from 4th Assam Rifle regarding presence of one suspected person in the area of Faidinga, Imphal West, at about 2:45 p.m., today a team of Special Commando Unit, Kavai Soy, along with Havildar L. Kuver Singh and ICH Omega Meitei, led by Suvedar L. Vivekananda Singh, officer in charge, Special Commando Unit Kavai Soy under the guidance of SP Railways and in charge Special Commando Unit Kavai Soy T.H. Krishnatombi Singh rushed to the said area and detained one person who identified himself as Furit Sabam Sunil Singh alias Jackson Singh alias Boiler, aged 35 years, son of led Furit Sabam Samjai Singh of Leimakong, Chingmang, Imphal West. During interrogation, he disclosed that he is an active cadre of RPF PLA. He was joined in the year 2008 through one Yeskul Lakpa of Jiribam, second lieutenant of RPF PLA organization, who worked under the command of one Captain Somo of RPF PLA band organization. The arrested individual has been handed over to Sekmai police station for further necessary action after observing proper formalities. A meritorious award ceremony for the successful candidates in Class 10 and 12 board examination was held today at Konta Ahaluf Awang Lekay Community Hall, organized by Mahiro Yokhatlup Mayol. The program was sponsored by M. Babu Charitable Trust, while the cut-off marks were 75% for BOSEM and COSEM and 80% for CBSE. The successful students were honored with certificate and memento. Mayaylambi College Assistant Professor Laifrakpam Binod Singh, Moirang College Retired Vice Principal Khaidem Ibocha Meitei, M. Demertan Singh, Mayol President T. Gulamjat Ningthauza Lancha graced the occasion. Addressing at the ceremony, Secretary of Mayol, Maibam Sunil, said the organization has been honoring and felicitating the students of the constituency since a very long time. This organization has also been working for several social issues under the helping hand of the current Chief Minister of Manipur, N. Biren Singh. The organization is focusing on to upgrade the government schools in the constituency as model schools. Several high-scorer students and the 4th position holder of the BOSEM were also took part in the meritorious award ceremony.
Mahiro Yokhatlup na akhoi pandam je chhatra si kamai na akhoi yokhatkani kamai na thagatkani phaba chhatra da khallaka na prize bi badun habidi akhoi na parikha mamang da akhoi na coaching center ga free da to kendri gi oiba chhatra sing si moi gi poverty line da leiba gumba paisa tinghan like angang da kamai nu ting da tamhangani ngai ba suguma pandam je sida akhoi na adu base jobni.
A new students' organization called All Manipur Progressive Students Association has been formed today. Addressing a press meet held at the Manipur Press Club, President of the newly formed group WANGKHEMCHA Bimol Meitei said the organization was formed in view of correcting the present education system, employment issues of the youths, lack of mention of our history in educational books, among others. Newly elected other office bearers of AMPSA are N. Mangalsana as Vice President, Mutum Chinglimba as Secretary, Chingkhay Nganba Namayrakpam as Finance Secretary, L. Koronganba as Organizational Secretary, and 9 other Executive Committee.
लाकदोरिबा 2020 एजुकेशन पॉलिसी दा लोकल लैंग्वेज दा याम emphasis पी हाई तारे पीबे emphasis पी पोचे खोगी इसागी इरमदम गी पोचिदा कई कई पुथोरक्तोरिनो अमदि लाइक सिदा कई कई इरक्तोरिनो खोगी खुनाई जिगी ओइबा चाखोटपगी दमकता क्याम इरक्तोरिनो सि हाइबजे ख्वाइदगी मरु ओइबने हाइना खंजनी कईगिनोदि तमकदौ लाइकतुना अखोगी ओइबा अमता तमक्त्रमिना ngasi अखोई खुनाई जिदा खोगी दमकता खलक्त्रिबजे अखोगी लाइक अमता तमक्त्रि कईनोदि हजूजी पोकी ओइना तमिबा लाइक एजुकेशन जे हेक पिक इबदगी होरगा ख्वाइदगी चावरम हे लोइसंग जे सिबोक्ता अखोगी ओइबा इरमदम गी ओइबा अमता तमक्त्रे सुमनगी मनपुरी डिपार्टमेंट लेरिबा सि बोक मंगाइरे अदु नतबा अतोप अमा अहिरममतदा अखोगी ओइबा अमता तमद्री अदुना सि म्यामजे सिगी वखलोनसिदा अमदि कमाइना हापचलहलगदी यागदगे हाइबदो अखोइदा थबक खक थीबा नतबा थबक तोकजाबा मथौ तारिमिना थबक तौबदु अदुदिगी दमतने
A discussion program on Modi at the Red 20 Dreams Meet Delivery, which was launched on 11 May 2022 at Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi by Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, was held at Moray College yesterday. The program was organized to give awareness to the public on Prime Minister Narendra Damodar Das Modi's 20 years political journey. The book is a collection of 21 chapters that detail Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision for governance, digital India and people-centric governance during his transition from Gujarat Chief Minister to India's Prime Minister. The book is written by 22 dormant dignitaries including Home Minister Amit Shah to the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, Dr. Sayang Vaite, Head of the Geography Department at Moray College, Dr. K. Santikumar Sharma, Head of the English Department, and Dr. S. Norjit Singh, Head of the Zoology Department, all kept their thoughts on Modi at the Red 20 in light of today's event. External Affairs and Education Minister of State Dr. R. K. Ranjan, Principal of Moray College Dr. S. L. Lunjapal Vaife, Additional Director of University and Higher Education P. Santikumar, OSD Ajit, Vice Chairman MFIC Limited P. Somorjit, State Secretary BJP Manipur Pradesh Paukam Haukip, State Co-in-charge of Modi at the Red 20 Avian R.K. Nongdren Khombamaite, Meitei Council Moray Hill Tribal Council, Tamil Sangam, Manipuri Muslim Councils Moray, Gurkha Samaj workers, government officials and teaching staffs and students of Moray College also attended the discussion program. The 15th state-level Pineapple Festival, which lasted 2 days, concluded yesterday at Bunglon High School, Dr. Kalam Ground in Churachandpur district. The concluding ceremony was attended by Nauria Pakhanglakpa MLA SKB, Moirang MLA TH Santi, Henglip MLA Lejamang Haukip, and Saikul MLA Kim Neo Hang Sing. As part of the ceremony, several cultural dance and songs were presented. Manipur Pineapple Farmers Award 2022 was awarded to the best tree farmers. The winner, Lamhoy from Kausabong, received a cash prize of 50,000, followed by Lareen from Bunglon in first place with second place with 40,000, and Haichin from Monlong village in third place with 30,000. Addressing at the event, MLA KV stated that the flavor of pineapple grown in Manipur and other states is different. So, farmers must put in a lot of efforts to grow pineapples. Whatever assistance is needed, the state government will provide it, she stated further. Later, the Manipur Pineapple Queen contest was held as part of the event, where about 14 contestants took part. The winner, the first runner-up and the second runner-up and 6 subtitles received a monetary prize of Rs 50,000, 40,000 and Rs 30,000 and Rs 7,000 each respectively. Now let's have a short break. Keep watching for more updates. Welcome back. According to a notice released by the General Secretary of Rongmei Naga Students Organization Manipur, Ransom, Jinthui Panmai's selling of cigarettes, tobacco products and any other intoxicants within the radius of 100 yards at all educational institutions should stop immediately due to numerous reports from parents about the open sale and use of intoxicants near several schools or educational institutions that are harmful to the health of the students. The notice also cited Section CB of the Copta Act 2003, which make it illegal to sell any hazardous cigarettes, tobacco products or other intoxicants, and made a plea to all the educational institution heads, the Traders Association of Tamenglong, Longmai and Nungba Bajar Board, as well as other concerned village authorities to ensure that the Copta 2003 is strictly followed. The Tripura government is eyeing to start export of agar extracts to global markets soon. The Tripura government is awaiting for a clearance from the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. This was informed by Principal Chief Conservator of Forest PCCF K.S. Sethi at Agartala on today. He said that the Tripura Forest Department has also been working on value addition and trade of non-timber forest products. He added that the Tripura government will soon begin formal business of agar trees and its extracts, after which the name of Agartala has been given. He added that thus far 1.13 crore agar trees have been enumerated only in the North Tripura district, which have attained maturity to be exported. At least 22 people, including 8 members of a family, were killed in landslides and flash floods triggered by heavy rainfall in Himachal Pradesh. Several people are missing and feared dead, while at least 10 suffered injuries due to heavy rain that has been lashing the hill state since Friday. And as many as 743 roads, including the Manali-Chandigarh National Highway at Mandi and the Simla-Chandigarh Highway at Shogi, have been blocked for traffic. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi had appealed to the government of Himachal Pradesh to provide all the possible help to those affected by flash floods and landslides in the state. In a jolt to the Congress ahead of assembly elections in Himachal Pradesh, its senior leader Anand Sharma today resigned from the chairmanship of the party's steering committee for the state. His resignation comes soon after another leader of the G23 grouping, Ghulam Nabi Azad, resigned as chairman of the campaign committee in Jammu and Kashmir a few days ago. Sharma has told the Congress chief that he has been ignored in the consultation process. However, he told Gandhi that he will continue to campaign for the party candidates in the state. The former union minister and deputy leader of the Congress in Rajya Sabha was appointed as chairman of the steering committee in Himachal Pradesh on April 26. Both Azad and Sharma are prominent leaders of the G23 grouping, which has been critical of the decisions of the party leadership. The grouping, comprising prominent veterans including Bhupendra Singh Hooda and Manish Tiwari, has been insisting on genuine elections right from the block up to the CWC level. India recorded a total of 11,539 fresh COVID cases along with 34 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,43,39,429. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 12,783 has been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total death toll in India stands at 5,27,332. Out of the 34 new fatalities, 9 were from Kerala, 4 from Karnataka, 3 each from Gujarat and Rajasthan, 2 each from Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Meghalaya, Uttarakhand and West Bengal, and 1 each from Himachal Pradesh, Odisha, Punjab, Sikkim and Uttar Pradesh. Taking the daily positivity rate at 3.75%, the total active cases has declined to 99,879 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.59% as per the data. According to the Health Ministry, 209.67 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Now, the top stories once again. Team of CDO Imphal West arrested an active PLA cadre from Faidinga. Tripura government eyes to export agro extracts to global markets soon. And India records 11,539 fresh COVID cases, 34 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News. Keep watching for more updates.